What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video here on EMKWAN Reviews. This is going to be a very special video. I am here in Dubai to get my hands on with the brand new Huawei Mate X, and I'm talking about a real hands-on. Here it is, guys. This is the brand new Huawei Mate X. And essentially we have a large screen once it's open. It's an 8-inch screen once it's fully open. That's an OLED display. I'm going to talk about the display in a moment. But on the other side we have a 6.6-inch display, and then on the side where the cameras are, you got a 6.3-inch display, and it works quite well with various modes and orientations. There were no issues there whatsoever. Let's get the specs out of the way. First of all, it's powered by the Kirin 980 processor, and then you have the Bulang 5000, which is essentially the chipset that will enable 5G. So this is, as Huawei are touting it, the fastest foldable smartphone, partly because of the fact that it's coming to the market with 5G as well. Alright guys, this is it. Take a look at this beauty in my hands. This is not behind a glass panel or 15 meters away. This is actually in my hands, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pass it on over here to this wonderful gentleman who's going to run through some of the main features. Okay, do you want to just show us when it's closed and when it's open, how it looks?
So this foldable phone, when it's closed, it will give you a 6.6-inch screen, and on the other side you will have 6.3 8-inch, so you can use either this one or that one. And when you unfold it, it will become 8-inch screen. And this is an OLED display? Yes, it's OLED display. And one of the most important things that took from us a lot of time of innovation, which is the hinge. This hinge, took from us, almost 3 years, to do it, to give me the flexibility of folding the screen, and also at the same time giving me this thickness, which is around 11 millimeter, which is very thin. This is the most thinnest foldable phone now in the market, with 11 millimeter, and there is no gap between the hinge. Yes, it's back-to-back foldable phone, and when you unfold it, it will give me 5.4 millimeter thin, which is the thinnest foldable phone in the market. So guys, I noticed there's actually a button. Do you have to click that button to open it? Yes, so this will help you, to when you fold the screen to be clicked, and will not, keep, moving. So, and when you want to unfold it, just only click on this one, on this button, and that's it. You will have the full screen at the back. Here in this area, which is the bar, it has everything inside it when it comes to the chipset, which is the Kirin 980, and also the Bulang 5000, which is supporting the 5G network. Also we have the triple camera system, at the back, and also on the side we have the power button and the fingerprint scanner. So that's incorporated into one? Yes, 2-in-1. Okay, perfect. The volume button is here, up and down, and this is it. We have 4,500 milliampere battery. The battery, it comes in two parts. There's one battery on this side, and this is another battery here. Both of them combined, they will give you 4,500 milliampere battery, and it supports the world's fastest supercharge with 55 watt. So the supercharge will give you the capability to charge the 4,500 milliampere 85% in 30 minutes only. Wow, that's impressive. That's good. Yes. So when it comes to the camera, so if we fold it and we click on the camera, this is one of the options that we can do. This is a normal camera using the triple camera system at the back. You can have the wide angle, so it comes with wide angle as well. Yes, and you can go with the zooming also feature. That's nice. One of the options also that we added, if you click on this one, it will give you the secondary screen that you can see yourself.
That's cool.
And when you can see yourself, you can tell me, I don't like this pose, just this area, okay, or just let me take a smile.
That's really good. So basically this screen is on and the other screen is on at the same time? That's really good. Yeah. So you can see what I've just seen.
Yes.
Essentially myself.
This is one of the options that we gave it, okay, to the people, so they can guide us how they want their picture or for the photo to be. This is one of the amazing.
This is one complete screen, right?
Yes.
The one that I'm looking at right now. But the software allows you to basically have this sort of split screen mode. Wow. Oh, okay. I see what you mean now. That's quite cool, actually. It's very practical as well.
Yeah. So this is one of the options, and also if you want one of the other options that we have it here. If we turn this one off, if I want to take a selfie. So if I press on the selfie, it will tell me flip the phone. So I will use the same camera system, the highest megapixel for selfie.
Interesting.
And this is gonna be really amazing and high quality.
Perfect.
Selfie camera.
Guys, look at that. If you want a larger space, essentially, to get your viewfinder for the camera, that is possible now, just simply opening it up like this. We've got all the familiar modes that we've seen with the recent Huawei phones: aperture, night, portrait, photo, video, pro, and more as well. It's amazing, actually, that larger screen. I'm going to be honest, I was a bit critical of the whole folding concept, but I can see immediately, actually, when you handle the device, there are a lot of real life scenarios where the larger screen can be quite, or not quite, but very useful, this being one of them. Guys, I'm going to take this opportunity just to talk about this, because quite a few of the comments that I saw online with videos mentioned this. There is a fold, but actually when it's opened, you're not going to notice that. And also when you're going to be accessing media, in fact, we'll give you a little demo in a moment of YouTube and perhaps some gaming. It's very, very hard to tell that that's there. And again, I mean, you know, there are going to be some compromises with the folding element of it. But actually, as you can see here, performs quite well. Alright guys, this is my YouTube channel. If you haven't already, make sure you hit subscribe. But that is the standard view, okay? But then if we open it out, shall we open it out and show them what it looks like? This is what it looks like with full screen. That again is very, very practical.
I cover here on the channel, one being tech with Oppo and the other being cars with Lamborghini.
That's nice. That's a very practical case scenario of going from a smaller screen to a larger screen, particularly when you're consuming media and playing games as well. The speakers are really loud on this as well.
Yes.
So what's the deal with the speakers? Are they like...
It's a studio speakers up there. It comes built in inside this one.
Okay, and where are the speakers located?
It's here.
Down at the bottom?
Yes.
That's it?
Yes.
Wow, those are really loud speakers, considering they're just based down at the bottom.
So, also, if you flip it like this,
oh, that's good.
It will come on the other screen. So all the screens working. Whatever you do, what kind of position you will put the phone, you'll have the screens always there.
Okay.
So you can play many things.
That's very, very interesting.
Yeah.
And then when you click it, if you want that full screen experience, you can do that like that. Perfect. Very, very good. All right, guys, that's just a quick hands-on. I'm going to shut myself up there. That's a quick hands-on with this device. My first impressions really is that I'm actually quite impressed overall with the build quality, with the practicality as well of this whole folding setup. I think once we have it in our hands and we've reviewed it for a while, I'll be able to give you my final judgment. But on first impressions, I think this is actually very, very nice. All right, let me know in the comment section what you guys think. Are you in love or hate it? Let me know. And that's it from me for now in this video. Be sure to hit subscribe if you're new around here and smash that like button, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, peace and blessings.